The brightest and most noticeable object in the night sky is the moon. The color of the moon is silver. The moon has faces. Do you know what faces means? Hello my lovely viewers, Assalamu alaikum. And Mahzabin is back again with another presentation. Today, I'm going to tell you about the phases of the moons. Actually, phases are the time that the moon passes in different parts of the month, which means it changes its looks. The moon looks or appears different in each of the phases. It orbits around the Earth. It takes 29.5 days to orbit around the Earth. We can also say it takes a month. From this, the name moon comes. From month, it's moon. Like the Earth, the moon has a day side and a completely dark side called new moon. This time, the moon is in the middle of the Earth and the sun. We see the moon at the night sky shining so bright. But despite it is bright, it doesn't have its own light. The sun's light reflects to the moon and the moon seems so bright. The new moon keeps growing until the next phase comes, named waxing crescent. That time we see the thin size of light. The next phase is called first quarter. It is also called half moon because that time we see the half part of the moon. It continues growing until waxing gibbous. Gibbous means growing. Waxing gibbous means it grows thicker. Then comes the full moon. This is the biggest, brightest and easiest phase of the moon to see. That time the lunar eclipse can happen. After that comes the waning gibbous. We call it waning gibbous because it gets smaller. It means shrinking. It continues till the next phase comes. The name of the next phase is third quarter. It is also called last or final quarter. Then comes the last phase named waning crescent. It continues until a new moon comes. These are the phases of the moon. Now, when you look at the sky, try to understand the phase of the moon and also try to guess that which phase will come next.